folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Nahim. I'm here to show you the new Scout 215 XSF. Please come on board. I'll give you a tour on it. If you notice right here, we have a nice full bench seat here for great comfort. Dual cup holders, extra rod holders, nice live well here. We equipped these boats with a Yamaha 150 4-cylinder motor, super efficient, great speeds. We're there in the high 40s. Equipped with a standard leaning post. Comes standard with a Yeti cooler, extra cup holders, rocket launchers. We order them with our Fusion radio, nice in-dash panel. It's ready for a nice 10-inch Garmin screen, tilt wheel, digital throttle. Let's go towards the bow. Great seating, if you notice the space, the width this boat has. Full nice lounge chair, or you could use as storage or a fish box. Drains overboard. Very versatile. Great seating, extra storage in here, both sides. Nice anchor locker. Again, extra cup holders. And the beauty about this boat is just it navigates amazingly. It's probably the nicest 21 out in the market. If you notice, standard JL audio speakers. That shows you just the quality of products that Scout offers on their boats. Well, if you want to come see this boat in person, it's located at MarineMax Miami. Please come by and visit us, and it would be our pleasure to give you a tour in any of our boats. Thank you.